Hello friends, now I'm going to make a home decor by using of one branches, tree bunches, one food container like this, throwing thermocols some you can see. By using this one we are going to make a home decor. Obviously it requires some tissue papers, newspapers, colors, adhesive glue, etc. Now I will start to make this one. This way we have to put some newspaper, or we can use the tissue papers also, no problem, to get a rough texture on the wood. This way you put this so that we can get the same texture of wood. Or if we get the bark also, some bunches which are having the some bark, that can be used also directly. For that purpose no need to take any tissue papers, directly you can apply. Next, same way we will make the, we'll take the another piece of newspapers, and after applying this you can take another little amount of Fevicol and mixing of water. You apply this one, it will give you hard texture. Now we will apply some Fevicol glue on the top of this container and apply some torn tissue papers. Take more little bit of Fevicol glue. Okay, now we'll apply some more adhesive on this container. Take these tissue papers and paste. Little bit crease must be there. Okay. This way we have to paste the whole container by white tissue papers. Apply this same thing, same way we must apply it here. This way, create some crease on it. Yes, whenever it is required, use little amount of adhesive. Next, again we have to apply to the other place, other side also. After applying the newspaper and tissue paper, it will be look like this. You can see. Now it is the time to dry it. Now it is the time to make the base of this home decor. You can understand. Already we have wrapped some newspaper and tissue papers on the bowl. Now we have to prepare this base also.